Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can calculate percentage in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, you can see the rate of Apple is given in month wise in 2023 and 2024. So I will show you how you can easily calculate percentage of any atom by following this method. So firstly, apply here a formula. So before this, click on home and you can see here, click on this and then click on percentage. So after that, apply here a formula and write here equal and then open the bracket and then select the last atom and then minus and then click on first atom and then close the bracket and then write slash and then again click on first atom, then press enter. So you can see a percentage is calculated. So if you want to calculate automatically percentage of other atom, so just click on it and then scroll down to the last end. So you can see automatically percentage is calculated of other atom. So guys, in this way you can calculate percentage of all the atom in the Excel easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.